cruising on this journey. What are we saying? Making excuses, no. Tell all the people we know we're getting ready to go. It's time. Life is passing by. Any, mini, money, mo. Pick a place and there we'll go. Work this jungle like a pro and learn to laugh.
What's up, gingerbread and jelly bean? The sun is in my eye, but yeah, today is Saturday. It's a really lovely day here in Florida, as you can see. Shave on my face and thing. But yeah, today is a really nice day. Played tennis earlier. Hey guys, good morning. So this is my morning look pretty much. I'm at tennis right now. It's 10:40 a.m. Get up from about 9. I couldn't sleep last night, but I'm here playing some tennis with Rudy because he requested that, you know, we get in an early morning. So yes, I'm not a morning person at all, as you can see my face beat out and stuff like that, but I'm here, you know, representing. I don't know who I represent for. But yeah, just playing some tennis early morning tennis, getting in some exercise for my big fat belly and all that. Yes, ladies, this is for you, all the pretty beautiful ladies on my channel. Big up on yourself. Don't know that jelly bean. Yeah. No, me I go back to playing some tennis and stuff idle. Alright. So going on the road now with grandma to sort out some bills and things like that. My day is going good. I want to do a little shout out. Shout out to Shameless. Thanks for supporting me. Big up yourself same way. Simone, oh my god, my best friend Simone, big up yourself same way. Mash up. Oh you go, so I forgot your name. You're from Chicago, Mash Makel, something like that. You make videos on YouTube too. Erica, big up yourself. Also a vlog on YouTube. Miss Advicey, big up yourself same way. Sophia, you don't know me, no say watch my vlog same way. There's a new person that commented. I see a subscriber, you comment. As you watch my video, you comment. I think that's the first video you watch. Big up yourself, same way, and welcome to JVLOGS. Follow the man and big up on yourself, same way. I'm really soon. I don't friend them and watch the vlogs. Big up on yourself. So, hope you enjoy. Continue to support JVLOGS on my journey. But yeah, anyway. So, I hope today go good. Hope everybody day is alright and thing again. So, just enjoy. Later. Oh yeah, big up my auntie, Chrissy. Always watch my vlog them, always comment, yes. Big up yourself, auntie. Much love. Alright, peeps. So we're at the insurance place. Well, I don't like going there. So there, right there. So I just stay outside, I walk up and down because I'm idle. I don't have anything to do. Just a camera in my hand. Vlogging. Hey, I look so handsome with this camera. Feels good. Be vlogging with a nice camera. After so many months and so many years of vlogging, I've finally found my love, my Nikon baby. We need to give her a nickname. I call her Nikesha. That's all I call it, a skettle name. But most of you don't know what skettle means. It's like a Jamaican term. Well, someone might know skettle mean. But it's like how you say who and the next B word, but yeah, we call him skettle or sket bomb. And for big up my friend Tevin, him call a girl him sket bomb. Oh yeah. It does remind me of how much fun we used to have back home and thing. So yeah, go out now. So my grandma over there and thing. So yeah. Oh, the solar energy. Oh. Come in and look on it as the yeah.
Lord electric bill, I need 800,000 signatures. My name and address signed date at the bottom.
May as well use it. That's genius.
So you can do one too. You might have you can do one.
So we need petition?
Yeah.
So basically I'm here right now and this is a petition
Yeah.
to
Okay,
provide solar power to Fort Pierce
utilities.
Fort Pierce utility. All the communities in Fort Pierce cheaper electricity, so they're trying to make it more affordable for everyone. So you know, as they get a petition, it's easier to provide cheaper electricity and let people be aware of what's going on.
I remember to went in the vote.
And I'm gonna give a shout out to Patricia in Atlanta.
Yeah.
You give a shout out.
Hi, world. We're trying to make it a better place for everybody.
Okay.
Hi, world.
All right, thank you.
So they're doing good. All right, thanks a lot. All right. Hey peeps, so it's the end of the vlog. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoy this. This is really bright outside now, which is good. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Remember people, Monday, Thursday, so next vlog will be dropping Thursday. I'm not sure when at Christmas because I'm gonna keep up with Christmas. But yeah, again, thanks again a million to everybody that continue to watch, all of the fans them that continue to comment. I really appreciate it. Thanks very much for tuning in. I hope you have a laugh. I hope you enjoy yourself. And don't look at my face and just laugh off for me, although my nose big. But yeah, I have a big nose and a big smile. But again, thanks again people. One love. So until next time, JVLOGS, Gingerbread Jelly Bean, I'm out.